In today's video, we are going to talk about I-129F processing times for May 2026 for K1, K2, K3, and K4 visas. As you can see, the processing time went up from 11 months to 11.5 months. If you are new to this channel, my name is Sliman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information you have from USCIS website. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. As you may heard on Friday, USCIS releases a memo about adjustment of status. So people doing adjustment of status must leave to their home country to do the consular processing. But for K visa, it does not apply for K visa. So it applies only for a non-immigrant visa. So now let's start with factors that affect I-129F processing times. So USCIS processes cases in order they receive them. However, each case is unique and it will depend on the following factors. First factor is USCIS workload and policies. So the overall workload at USCIS, including the number of applications received and staffing level, can affect the processing times. It is simple. Second factor, which is accuracy of the application. A complete and accurate application with all required documentation can prevent delays caused by requests for evidence. Third factor, which is the beneficiary's location. As you know, the beneficiary's location impact the I-130 processing times. Just simple example, Mexico and Philippines they have a higher processing than example for Spain or Germany. That's an example. Fourth factor, case complexity. Cases with complexities such as criminal record or previous immigration issues may require additional review and thus take longer to process. The background checks and security clearance as well, if there is an extended background checks or security clearance, can also contribute to a longer processing times. Now, this is the most question I get from people doing I-129F. What happened is, if you have filed fiancé case and you get married, that fiancé case is immediately over, period. There is no question about it. Why? Because it is over once you get married. You cannot convert I-129F, which is K visa case, to an I-130 visa case by getting married. Because as you know, for K visa, you do as well. You do consular processing. You get your visa for K visa. You come to United States, then you adjust the status to get it a CR visa, CR1 or CR or IR visa. It depends with your marriage. If it's 2 years, if it's over 2 years or less than 2 years. Now let's talk about the processing times. You need to go to this link right here. Then you're gonna select the form. I-129F petition. Form category, only one category, K1, K2, K3, and K4. As you know, K1 is for fiancé of US citizen, K2 is for children of fiancé of US citizen, K3 is for spouse as a fiancé of US citizen, K4 is children of a spouse as a fiancé of US citizen. Then select the office. Only for now they have only one office, so we're gonna select that one and then click on the processing time, and it's gonna give you the processing time for I-129F. So the office now is called Service Center Operation. That's what it's called. So if you click get the processing time, it's gonna give you the processing times. The processing times for petition for alien fiancé I-129F at Service Center Operations is 11.5 months. Last month it was 11 months and now 11.5 months. As you can see, it went up by 2 weeks. But the average though does not seem that high. If you see the average right here, it's only 7.5 as of May, uh, I'm sorry, as of February 28, 2026. The average processing time is 7.5 months. I don't know why they have it higher in their processing times website. So now let's talk about what happened next after I-129F is approved. Once USCIS approves your petition, they will send you I-797 approval notice telling you basically they approved your petition, and they will send your petition to Department of State or NVC. NVC will receive your case, enter the data into the system, then create your login credentials and send it to you as a welcome letter, like this one right here. This is a welcome letter for K visa, and it has a case number. This is what you need to complete your immigration journey. Once you receive your welcome letter, you need to check the status because you need to see if where is your case at. If it is ready, it's time to go and create your profile. How you do that? It is very simple, and I have a video on my channel on how to do that. Just go click on sign up now. Go to this link right here and click on sign up and create your profile. Once you create your profile and once you create your profile and then you log in into your account, is gonna show like this right here. Start application. But before you start application means schedule interview. But before you do that, you need to file this 160 and print the confirmation page because you need the barcode number. If you don't have it, there is no way you can complete DS 160. Once you have that, then start application, schedule interview, and once you schedule interview, you will receive interview confirmation letter from the consulate or embassy in your country telling you that you schedule an interview at this day and time and location where you will have an interview. As you can see, this one, for example, it's Morocco. Once now at the interview date, you will go to interview. You will the applicant will have an interview with the consular officer, and he or she will ask him some basic him or he or her some basic question, and then if the applicant answers the questions, the consular officer will issue the visa, and the visa packet will be delivered to your designated address that you selected within 7 to 10 business days. If something goes wrong, the visa will be refused, and then it will go under 221G, and the consular officer will give you a 221G, and it will select the items that you need to submit. Once now, if you submitted 221G and is refused, then it's gonna go under administrative processing. From this point right here, there is no way you can know how long it's gonna take because it takes several weeks or even years to take a decision. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.